Hi, in this video we will discuss about how we can do the AI predictive analysis in Power BI desktop. Firstly, what is our objective? Our objective is AI predictive analysis in Power BI, and what are the solution that we have defined the ways that how we can do the Power AI predictive analysis in Power BI desktop version. So we got the three ways like Analytics Pane and R scripting and Python scripting. First we have to use the analytics pen. So these are the some dynamic references lines in the analytics pen that we can achieve via via analytics pen, that y-axis, x-axis, constant, minimum, maximum, average, median, percentile, and symmetry. What is the limitation of this analytics pen? That we when we are using the some visuals, we have to use it while you doing the AI predictive analysis or doing the forecasting. That in AI predictive analysis, when we are going to use the constant lines, so these are the following visuals which we can only be able to use. And if we are going towards the timeline data, then we below the visuals, for example, area chart, column, clustered column chart, line chart, line and clustered column, these are the five charts we can able to use in Power BI desktop and while using the analytics pan. The second way of doing the AI predictive analysis, or you can say that the forecasting, is the create a Power BI visuals using the R scripting. These are the ways that how we can enable the ER visuals in Power BI desktop. First, you have to go to the a Power BI desktop menu and select the files, then move towards the options and settings. On the left side of the page, you can see the options under the global. Select the art set scripting. If you are under the R script options, verify that your local R installation is specified in detected RH home diaries. And this is the variant that we have to use it for the R scripting. And this is the way, as you can see in the image, for the R scripting, that how you can enable the R scripting in your Power BI desktop. These are the some limitations while using the Power BI visuals using the R scripting. Some data size issues, output issues, resolutions, plotting issues, calculations issues, references, displaying, calling, naming. These are the some limitations that we are facing while using the R scripting. The third way is the Python scripting in the Power BI desktops. This is the way that how you can enable the Python scripting in Power BI desktop. Same, move towards the Power BI desktop file, select the file and go into the options and settings, then find the options and enable the Python scripting. The Python scripting pages appears like this as you shown in the image. If necessary, supply or edit your local Python installation path. First, in this also you have to install the Python as well in your local desktop. In the preceding image, the Python installation local path, as you can see that they can display the local path as well. And now after this you have to click on OK. Thank you.